Financial reporting shouldn't consume your team's best talent on repetitive manual work. Yet that's exactly what happens when ledger mapping is done by hand, templates are rebuilt every period, and disclosures scatter across spreadsheets. Your finance team spends more time compiling data than analyzing it. Auditor questions pile up, deadlines slip, and the stress of managing disconnected tools burns out the people who should be driving insight. Here's the real problem. Most teams layer tools on top of each other. One for templates, another for mapping. Separate sheets for disclosures, and different workbooks for consolidation. But layering tools doesn't solve anything. Handoffs stay manual. Validation happens too late. Every regulatory change forces another rebuild. That's where MyFinalyst makes the difference, by eliminating the gaps entirely. Automated trial balance. Start with standalone. Link your ERP once for automated trial balance extraction. Maintain multiple COAs for statutory group and MIS. Roll templates forward across periods. Templates help you standardize your reporting format, so you don't rebuild it every cycle. Create templates as you need, and import them for new reporting needs to set up faster and stay consistent. Print-ready financials. Generate print-ready financials with built-in validation and automated disclosures linked to subledgers. Then consolidation becomes a system, not a spreadsheet project. Automated consolidation entries. MyFinalyst automates consolidation entries, including acquisition accounting, non-controlling interest, and intercompany eliminations. Foreign currency translation. It automates foreign currency translation and maintains the foreign currency translation reserve in line with regulatory standards. Investment register. A structured investment register tracks subsidiaries, associates, and joint ventures. The module auto-generates shareholding disclosures aligned with Schedule 3 and Ind AS. You get logged consolidation adjustments and approvals with role-based access controls. Let's talk real impact. Your team reclaims significant time every reporting cycle. Errors are caught early because validation happens at source, not at the end. Compliance oversight improves significantly. Your disclosures are complete, accurate, and audit-ready, with minimal manual intervention. Fewer surprises, fewer follow-up items from auditors, fewer regulatory concerns. And when regulations shift again, because they always do, you're already ahead. You're not scrambling. You're not rebuilding. Your system adapts. So, compliance keeps pace with change. This isn't just a feature-rich tool. It's the difference between your finance team surviving financial reporting and actually thriving during it. Ready to transform your financial reporting? Learn more about our financial reporting module at myfinalyst.com and request a demo by reaching out to us at support@myfinalist.com.